It's not a bad view. Or we go check out the creek, go see what's up there. Yeah, not a bad day for it. It's not much of a path, but a bit of a climb, this one. You can go up there or cut across there. I think I'll go upwards, I think. Actually looks like a bit of a track. Last time I was here, there was no track. That was a few years ago. It's all manuka down by the stream and then pine trees on that hill. Bit of native on the hill over there. But yeah, there's a good little pond sort of thing with a little waterfall just up there somewhere. Try find it. Proper gear on today. Old jeans. Actually a bit of a drop down there. It's the way we've got to go. Film it in case I slip on my ass. Might be good. Use my arm as a selfie stick. It's actually not too bad, really. Plenty of little steps. The only people that come up here will be trappers and people doing dodgy stuff. And me. I'm doing neither. But yeah, here's the creek. It's going to be pretty noisy, so it'll be hard to hear. Rocks are quite slippery, have to look out. But yeah, how's that for a little private pool? Seen a few little fish in there as well. Don't know how they survive. It's not a bad view. Might have to do an ASMR video, I think. Yeah, it's all pine trees up there, forestry. Native on that side. Yeah, this would have been charging after all that rain. Looks like it's slowed down quite a lot. It's actually quite deep in there. You'd just about jump off that rock. Try it out in the summer. Go a bit further and then turn around, I'd say. Try go up beside the creek as far as I can and then might have to go up a little bit to get around. I'd say I might be able to be a goat around there maybe. Should film this in case I fall in the water. Might be good. As long as you've always got a strong handhold in case you slip, which I don't have at the moment. Yeah, wasn't too bad. Opens up a bit here. Yeah, I'd say I have to go up there to get any further. Yeah, I'll film it. One hand climbing. That's all you need. Sure there's some amputee climbers out there not watching this. There's a few loose rocks up here. Oh, that one's just asking to be pushed, but I won't. Just climbing up a bluff. Oh. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Still got all my stuff, yep. And yeah, I think it's easier if we cut right up, to be honest. That's good. It's actually a good sized creek, this one. Dries up a bit in the summertime though. Yeah, I'll definitely have to try that little pool back there in the summer. Maybe there's probably only a few people that know about it, I'd say. And no one actually swims in it. It's pretty clear, this water. No farms, no nothing. Dropping stuff into it. All natural. Still wouldn't drink it though. There'll be someone living up the top pooing in it. It's just going to be doing this all the way up to wherever it goes. It's pretty deep in some places. You have a nice bath in there. Wonder how cold it is. Oh, it's not freezing. Yeah, you get in that. I think next time I'll bring my Speedos and jandals and just walk up the creek. Be easier. Probably be just over my knees in places, but that'd be pretty cool. Alright, try to get back to the van with dry feet. Easier said than done. Plenty of animal trails up here going to the creek. Must be lots of pigs and deer and goats up here probably. Film the sketchy parts in case I slide down. Could be a good video. Where am I going? Like this whole thing's just a scree slope. It's a bit sketchy walking on a scree slope. Nothing to grab. Just have faith that someone's got your back. Alright, now that's getting really sketchy. Time to go downtown a bit. Good bit of exercise for the Saturday. Had a bit of a sleep in this morning. Was going to do a 24-hour video, but do that another time. Don't want to do a big long video when I'm tired. It won't be any good. This looks like a new goat track, but we'll give it a go. Oh, that was dead. This is what we build the houses out of here in New Zealand. Grows for about 25 years and then they chop it down. That one there has got a nice bend in it. That'll make some good 4x2s. Bush bashing along there, down along the creek. Walked up the hill a bit and found a mountain bike track. Oh, be a bit easier to walk down. I don't know where it starts, but yeah, hit up the mountain bike track. Just another place where you never see anybody else. Probably don't want to see anybody else. We're doing something dodgy if they're up here. Old helicopter. Last sketchy bit of the climb. Not really much to hold on to. Just dig the old hills in. And when you go for a walk like that, I always check my pockets every now and again, make sure I don't drop my keys. Narrow down where you lose them. It's not a bad view. There's no fish in that river that I'm aware of. And there's my van, still there. You always get worried when you're away for a few hours if someone starts sniffing around. It's all tinted though, so you can't really tell if I'm sitting in the back. You'd have to be pretty brave or stupid to want to try. Home sweet home. Have a bit of lay down, I think, and then go to town and get something to eat and sort of feel like some fish and chips or something really, or a burger and chips. Even though it's just said I don't trust the takeaways. I know one good fish and chip shop. Pretty bloody expensive now though. It's alright for a treat though. Even the drive up here is pretty relaxing. I think it's like about 5 or 10 minutes from Nelson. Little tiny old road that's never changed the whole time I've been coming up here. Never widened it or anything. And there's a lot of trees falling down just there. I think they went through and killed them all. And then they let nature slowly drop them rather than going in there and spending lots of money. Just turn into compost eventually. Back to civilization. There's a little takeaway just up the road a little bit. Looks pretty good. Bugger all chips there. At least the burger looks alright. And there's my little jam donut for after.